Hi, my name is Matthew Levac, Director of Therapy at ACCEL, a private nonprofit organization that serves individuals with special needs. Today, we're talking about a couple projects, technology projects that we're teaming up with Arizona State University with. And this one I'm talking about now is an adapted paintbrush, specifically a switch adapted paintbrush. So I'll go a little bit into the why and show a little bit of a kind of demonstration on how paintbrushes work, stuff like that. So the purpose and the why behind this device is something that will be used in our workshop. So we have a vocational workshop that students come in and actually make a lot of painting projects, woodworking type projects. So be using our workshop to paint large scale projects. Ideally, it would be able to hold different size paintbrushes and be able to paint either vertically or horizontally. And again, this is the device itself making those paint strokes. So currently, we would have a student hold a paintbrush and then a staff would help either paint vertically or help paint horizontally with the student. Our goal is to get a technology tool that would do that for the student while hitting a switch. Now, I couldn't find anything on the market that really works in this manner. But what I have here is a video on why vertical and horizontal motions would be the goal of this device, because as you see, this gentleman is going to be painting cabinets. We do a lot of not necessarily painting projects for art, but more painting projects for restoration of wood, whether it's painting wood cabinets, whether someone donates an old wooden bookshelf. We'll have our students kind of sand it down and then repaint it, and then we can sell it on Etsy or sell it back to staff. Or just restore it back to the original owner as well. So our high school age students who have those mobility concerns and may not be able to kind of have the motor control to paint themselves, just a large scale paintbrush strokes. Again, the benefit of this would be something that once you hit a switch, right, the tool activates, and then you have those paint strokes that go vertical or horizontal as well. So I'll just play a quick clip of this video. Let's start it down a little ways.
Hello, this is Jeremy
See
with Remy
how
Refinishing. Do
the
it
vertical strokes is kind of
with the
something what
least
we would
amount
look at doing.
of passes as possible. So I kind of did a bad job there, but this should be, one pass back and forth. Just gonna go over that one more time. And then up, down, done, don't touch it.
All right, so that was just a quick clip on why we would want something that goes up and down or left to right, because a lot of our painting projects are wood projects. And we would have the wood positioned in front of the student, and then they'd be able to activate it with a switch, whether it's a accessibility switch where they're hitting it with their hand. We have head switches where they hit with their head, and the tool would be painting for them for a set number of seconds, then stop, then allows the staff to then reposition that wood, and then they'd paint again using that switch. So that's the project that we're talking about for this one, and I look forward to seeing what you guys and gals can develop, and looking forward to answering any questions that you might have as well. Thank you.